Spices! So I was gonna make nachos for my family and I realized I have not made a video on nachos. This is like the easiest nacho, totally kid friendly. My kids love it. This was something I used to make when I was a kid and I just continue to make it for my family and they love it, and family and friends, and they love it as well. So if you want to know how to make the easiest nachos, the most delicious, stay tuned.
You want to first start out with some Doritos. I am actually adding 2 bags of family sized Doritos because I am doing 2 pans since I'm having family over. Next, I'm adding 2 cans of Nelly's chili. You want to add 1 to 2 cans each pan. Next, I'm cooking up some hamburger taco meat. Next, I'm adding my homemade refried beans. Yes, I do have a video up on my channel. And since I'm adding refried beans, I'm only adding 1 can of Nelly's chili to each pan. But if I don't add refried beans, I'm adding 2 cans of Nelly's chili. Next, of course, I am adding my taco meat to the pan for another layer of goodness. You will want to add 1 to 2 pounds of the taco meat. And a side note, you can always add other beans as well. You can also add black beans. Now I am adding sharp cheddar. Once again, you can always use pepper jack or medium cheddar, but I like sharp cheddar. And into the oven it goes at 375. I cook it for about 15 minutes till the cheese is melted and everything's heated.
And you can add whatever toppings you want. I usually put assortment out, kind of whatever I have on hand. I usually put tomatoes and lettuce and olives and sour cream and salsa. Right now we are doing guacamole, but you can also do just avocados. And just put it all out and your family can just put on whatever toppings they prefer.
And here are my toppings that I'm adding to my nachos. I'm going to wait to put the second pan in just to make sure it stays nice and warm.
I hope you enjoyed this really easy recipe on nachos. Bye, and see you in the next video.